Hi everybody, Bob Sokoler, Sokoler team, Remax Properties East. This is one of my favorite places to come in the springtime as it starts to get warmer. I'm at Starview Greenhouse. If you follow my blog, you know that I've been here many times before, and I love this place, and I love the amount of plants that they have all over this area. You just can't get enough of this.
It's 2.5 acres undercover. We have an acre, 3/4, I'm saying probably an acre with the trees and shrub area. We recently opened another greenhouse section with nothing but houseplants, succulents and cacti. We're basically the same size as we've always been, but this year, because of what happened last year, we weren't allowed to grow as much. This year, we amped it up.
I come here to get these tomato plants. There's so many different varieties, including a number of heirloom plants. But I always wonder, so what should I be doing now as we start to get ready to do some planting?
Basically amending your soils. If you want to do your gardening, get your garden compost manures, get the rototilled and things like that. If you're going to do gardening this year, get your containers ready. Just, freshen up the soil a little bit.
Now, if you're just starting on planting, you might be wondering, okay, so what's a good plant that won't take a lot of maintenance? I asked Theresa about that.
We recommend low maintenance. As far as different plants, we do have sections, we can walk people through to give them ideas as colors and low maintenance versus something they're going to have to tend to on a regular basis as far as deadheading and whatnot. We do go with a lot of tropicals that are low maintenance, which we have the dipladenias.
Those are dipladenias?
Dipladenias. We have Alamanda brown bud, which is a big yellow flower, like similar to this. Blooms all summer. Absolutely beautiful. It just gets solid yellow.
So these are what again, Theresa?
Portulaca.
And these are easy?
They open up in the sunshine. They close at night and when it rains. It's a cool kind of flower. We have them in the 4-inch pots as well if they want to do window boxes. They just flourish in the summertime. Very little care, very little water.
I'm just checking around, making sure no one's near me. I'm not wearing the mask, but there are very few people here in this location at this moment. If you want to come to Starview Greenhouse, they're on LaGrange Road, right near the Oldham-Henry County line. It's definitely worth the drive, and what you'll find here is just spectacular if you love nature. I'm Bob Sokoler, Sokoler team, Remax Properties East.